Cleaning between our teeth has come a long way since the original string floss. Now we have an innovative design like GumChucks to help make flossing faster and easier. It's important to know who our population of flossers are. The idea that everyone should be flossing their teeth is dated and no longer supported by research. But there is a section of the population who are perfect candidates for floss as an aid to disrupt the bacteria from between their teeth. We know there are plenty of tools out there, and floss is a great aid when the person has crowded teeth, great dexterity, fine motor skills to accomplish the task successfully without creating trauma. Those who are pre-disease and children and teenagers are all great candidates for flossing as an interdental aid. Most of these devices, floss, at-home oral irrigators, and interdental brushes are great and will disrupt biofilm between the teeth, but some will do a better job than others depending on the patient and their embrasure spaces. Innovative designs like GumChucks allows the person to reach the back teeth with ease, create the proper C shape, and keep their hands out of their mouth. GumChucks makes for faster and easier flossing with a two-handle approach. We know that normal and early class 1 embrasures are ideal spaces to use floss, especially if there's no room for any other type of device. The one thing I really reiterate with patients is that many oral hygiene aids can complement each other. So for some, they may be only able to floss the anterior teeth, but may need an interdental brush in the posterior. For others, they may enjoy using the oral irrigator, but when they travel, they can bring a floss like GumChucks with them. That's way easier to travel with. I always like to confirm with any aid that the patient is able to use it effectively and without causing trauma. GumChucks allows the person to curve the floss around the tooth and allow control when breaking through the contacts to prevent that snapping of the floss into the tissue. You can find more info at gumchucks.com. If you or your patients love GumChucks, don't keep it a secret. We would love for you to tag us on Instagram. Thanks for watching.